live right now.
Do it.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
What's happening? Oh. Okay, so we did a poem for reading class. He's a dinosaur. I'm a red elephant, if you have not noticed. This poem goes, red elephants attack dinosaurs in native Greenland. And it spells out reading, see? Right here. Eric, move your head. See, it says it right here. And that's what our poem's about. And right now we're about to reenact the red dinosaur beating up the elephant who is not red at all, the Greenland in the native. Okay? So, let's go. Eric.
Oh my god. Seizure.
Ow. Okay, you can get back.
Okay, let's see.
Now, wait, now, we do the taping. Right now. Do it. Okay. Wait, we didn't. It was sponsored by.
Go.
Okay, sponsored by. Let's see what I have in my pocket.
Like your polar.
Okay, sponsored by the Smiley Face Key.
Sponsored.
Let's see, that's
Sponsored by
Smiley Face
Eric
Key.
Rossi.
Sponsored by Michael Abrams.
Sponsored by Keep a Breast Organization. Glamour Kills. KB.
Sponsored by Duct Tape. Hearts.
And
Cuts.
Sharpie.
A Day to Remember Without Me, aka Eminem. Homesick. ADTR. Duct tape bracelets.
Protege.
Sarah was here.
At
Also
Knees.
sponsored it.
At Knees.
She sponsored it.
Grant
Oh,
Community
yeah,
High
at
School.
Knees.
Grant Community High School, of course. They sponsored it too. And especially Bob Marley.
Yeah, Bob Marley, he's,
And-
this bracelet about keeping a breast and boobies.
Yes, and this one too. Then there's if one has more sponsors like Glamour Kills, Keep a Breast, and yeah.
That kid, hey, you.
Hey, that kid. Come here.
You sponsored us?
And her too.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
The 6th grade hallway, that garbage
Oh,
can.
Native Greenland, of course.
What? Oh, yeah.
Of course, Native Greenland.
Native Greenland.
On her.
Native Greenland,
Room B06. B06.
What else? Oh, these red lockers.
The floor.
And the white wall.
Your Converse.
Yeah.
The garbage can, of course.
Yeah.
And the recycling.
The recycling, yeah.
And the floor.
The bathroom. Come on,
And the
Bruce.
floor.
On the floor.
Bathroom,
And the bathroom.
The bathroom.
Bathroom. The boys and the girls' bathroom,
That bathroom.
They sponsored us.
There's that.
Yeah, they sponsored us.
The disaster zone of the bathroom.
Yes,
Bathroom,
they
yeah.
sponsored us. Oh, that, there was somebody in here.
And Bruce's room goes out.
The water fountain.
Oh, especially. Oh yeah, that's about it.
She did too.
Ended. Yeah. Yeah, she did too. Cody's sister. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, hold this. Hold this. And this also sponsored us. That sponsored us.
Yeah. So ended. Good job.